Baby, can you feel?
Hi, welcome to my channel.
It's my first time doing this, so please bear with me. So for today's video, it is something that I'm super duper excited to share with you. It's gonna be my room tour. If you guys are interested to see how my room looks like, please keep on watching.
Just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet. Just a touch of your love, just a touch of your love. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy. I just know. Rufus, boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape.
Disclaimer lang guys, I am not trying to flex in any way. I am just proud of how it has turned out. And actually wala rin naman ako i-flex kasi it's not that bongga and it's not big. So this is how it looks like when you walk in. As you can see, I have this cute wall art thing. DIY lang yan. I got the pictures from Pinterest. Tapos, pinaprint ko sa photo line. Guys, I suggest kung magpapaprint kayo ng mga photos nyo sa photo line kasi good quality talaga. Then, yung frames naman sa Divisoria, parang 60 or 80 pesos each. Kasi tumingin kami sa SM Department Store, parang 500 ata or 300 each yung picture frame na ganito kalaki. Ay, die di na uwi.
Ay, die di na uwi.
Dito naman sa baba, naglagay ako ng ghost chair. As much as I wanted to put a pink chair or a mini sofa sana, I decided to put a ghost chair instead kasi it creates an illusion na parang wala. Then, I just simply put a pink pillow in a fur para may konting arte lang.
By the way, this cute fluffy rug is from Shopee, while this carpet is from my cousin. Hi, Evelyn.
And on this side is a mini table where I put my lamp and this kabugerang tissue holder. You know, I really love this one because it's very sparkly. I got it from the Pitan Arcade. These plants are from the Pitan Arcade as well. 203 pieces. Ayoko naman kasi malagay ng totoong halaman kasi walang direct sunlight dito sa kwarto. Baka mamatay lang. So, let's talk about this area naman. Probably one of my favorite parts of the room. Wala kaya. I just simply put a white rug that I got from Shopee and then nilagyan ko ng konting clothes pero for decoration lang naman siya. Then I just added some fairy lights. While on top of it, I put some stickers on and grabe, I love the result so much. Honestly, I don't think wall clocks are still a thing nowadays since we have our phones naman to check the time, but whatever. And below that is this mirror that I got from Novo Monumento. Sacha! Keiko! And right over here is yung kama. As you can see, I have here a lot of throw pillows and every single one of them is from Landmark Trinoma. Yes, this is just a fake headboard because I don't really want to spend a lot of money for this. And I know it doesn't really look that great, but it's still okay, so yeah. And my very soft duvet is from Fluffy Sheets. Pwede nyo silang i-check sa Instagram. And here is my closet. It's plain and boring and very disorganized at the moment, so we're not gonna open it.
I guess they know I'm bad. I got a problem.
So next to my bed is this vertical shelf that I probably got from furniture source. This is where I put some of my bags. Yung iba, sabi nila yung mga bags daw, yung mga shoes, guilty pleasures daw nila. Pero para sa akin, I don't call them my guilty pleasures kasi hindi naman ako nagigilty. Parang mas okay kung tawagin silang well-deserved reward. 'Di ba? Lalo na kung pinaghirapan mo naman. On the upper level of this shelf is a crown that I got when I was in high school nung prom namin. On the other hand, on the lower level of this shelf is a pink box that basically hides all of my clutter. Something so precious sa taas, then kalat sa baba. Nice. And onto this side is my vanity area. Na-order ko lang tong vanity dresser online sa Facebook. Marami naman doon kung gusto nyo maghanap na lang kayo doon. On top of it, I have an acrylic organizer that holds some of my favorite lipsticks, my BB creams, my brushes, and some of my self-care stuff. I have here my moisturizer. Ang ganda nito, grabe. Super gold moisture lotion nakalagay. Parang shala lang. Nabili ko to sa Don Quixote sa Japan. I have here my sunscreen, my hair oil, and this nakaka-artistang ointment. Basically, my everyday essentials. I also have a bunch of facial masks that I don't use anymore. Hindi pa siya expired. Ay, hindi ko lang talagang trip gamitin kasi mainit ngayon. So, kung gusto nyo, mag-message lang kayo. Sa inyo na lang. And then, I have here some of my setting sprays, my fragrances, and whatnot. Onto my first drawer. This is where I put all of my abubots. Sa kabila naman, I have a bunch of makeup. Hindi ko naman ginagamit. By the way guys, DIY tip pala, kung meron kayong ganito, yung Ferrero Rocher na chocolate box, pag bumili kayo or may nagbigay sa inyo, itabi nyo yung box kasi pwede nyo siyang gawing lalagyan. Tanggalin nyo na lang yung sticker. Medyo mahirap, pero worth it naman. Tsaka maganda, mahal kaya yung mga acrylic organizer na ganyan, mga box. Pwede nyo siyang gawing ganito. Tchanan! Diba? Ang ganda. Pwede nyo lalagyan ng lipstick or kung anong trip nyo. Kung madami kayong box, kung madami kayong ganyang box na naitago or maitatago, ibig sabihin, ganda ka girl, ang dami nagbigay sa'yo.
Ligawin, balingkinitan, ganun.
Onto this side is my stationery stuff. Some pictures of me and Mark. A collection of personal prayers. Binabasa ko rin to minsan. Siyempre, bukod sa dasal ko. Kasi, wala lang. Whenever I feel upset, nagbabasa ako na. Tapos, may basurahan sa tabi. Ay, andito rin pala yung mga IDs ko. Luma kong ID. Wow. Ganda, oh. Mukhang undin. I also have here some of my highlighters. Itong highlighter na to, di ba mahal to? Wait. Friction, yung nabubura. Ano ba? Ba't ayaw? Yung nabubura. Nakainis eh. Ayan. Uy. Ay, mag-focus. Basta yan, yung friction. Wala lang. Kinuha ko lang kasi sa work ko yan sa Japan, sa school. Ayan siya. Yung friction na highlighter. Hindi ko yan kinuha basta-basta. Siyempre, we have the liberty to get everything that we need. Kasi sa work ko sa Japan, I was an ALT, Assistant Language Teacher. So, kailangan namin yung mga ganyan. Tapos, kung ano-ano lang, ito talaga favorite kong basahin. By Chinkitan. Always think positive. Diba? My makeup kit. Sa kabila naman. Oh, more makeup kits. Makeup. Uy, ganda nito, diba? Mura lang. Itong Korean blinds naman sa 50 Shades of Blinds. Ang name nila sa Facebook, dun ko pinagawa. Parang itong ganito kalaki, less than 5,000. Nakalimutan ko na talaga. Message niya na lang sila. So, we finally made it to the last piece of furniture. I'll just go quickly over this, guys, because they are just random stuff. So, dito sa unang layer, I have my Polaroid camera. And this Nikon vintage camera. Sa papa ko to, he had it way before me. And dito naman, meron akong DIY grid photo wall. Kasi, ang dami ko nakita rin sa Shopee na mga ganitong grid photo kineme. Ang mahal. Ito, alam niyo ba to kung ano? Ito yung pang-ihaw. O, di ba pwede naman? Have here some photos of me and Mark. Yan siya. Sure. Tapos, dito naman, pictures pa rin namin and some of my nail care stuff. Sa baba naman, a picture of Audrey Hepburn and itong nakalagay, work hard so you can shop harder. Sa apartment ko pa yan galing sa Japan, inuwi ko lang. Mga lotion, tapos itong mga hand gel. Sobrang bango nito. Tapos sa baba, all of my hair tools. Yun lang. So that's about it for today's room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from me. Comment down below your video suggestions, your answers, and please show me some love. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!
But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cost a thing. But I don't